All right, well, for those considering a major smile reconstruction, predictable and long-lasting outcomes are super important. So prosthodontics Dr. Matthew Naraki of Jacksonville Dental Specialist is here today to talk about how he can actually help support highly aesthetic smiles with highly consistent outcomes. So welcome to the show, Dr. Naraki. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you.
All right, so let's go into prosthodontics and specialty. It's really important because it creates a better outcome.
It does. So it's a better, safer, longer-term outcome. So whenever someone is considering a major life-changing event, you want to seek out the experts. And so people with complex dental problems or those seeking out high levels of aesthetic rehabilitations, you would want to seek out a prosthodontist. We are considered the specialty in dentistry that deals with that. And so it's getting you through the whole process. We typically quarterback the process from A to Z so that the whole process is predictable. The outcome is what you are looking for. And it's basically starting with the end in mind. And this is really what differentiates us from other general dentists and other specialties, is being the reconstructive or restorative specialist. We're basically looking at the end in mind, working backwards, and then getting you through the process, oftentimes as a team approach.
And you also use really high quality materials.
Exactly.
So let's talk about that.
So part of our training is being up to date on the latest technologies and techniques and materials so that your outcome can be at a high level, can achieve your goals that you're wanting and meet your expectations.
I like that. Okay, and then we see commercials all the time. You can get teeth in a day.
Exactly.
Is that something that you want to do, need to do, or
unfortunately it's really coming to fruition as really a marketing ploy. It's really a misnomer. Any dentist, any specialist that is doing these complex dental cases, at no point in time should a patient ever be without teeth at some point in time, including the day of surgeries and procedures. And so the real question is, are these your permanent teeth? Are these a temporary teeth? Are they fixed? Are they removable? There's various reasons for both. And unfortunately, we're not a one-size-fits-all. And many of these immediacy type treatments, one day, you're start to finish, everything said and done, falls well short of what the ultimate outcome and expectation should be. And unfortunately, at Jacksonville Dental Specialists, we treat a high degree of patients that maybe were rushed through that process, problems happen, and we're having to fix those problems. And so whereas immediacy was the driving force, it turns into a longer, more expensive process. And so where it's appropriate, that can work well. And sometimes there's patients within 1 or 2 visits, we can go to the final. Whereas other people, the decision is made that maybe we need to take a little bit more expanded approach on it so that ultimately your goals are achieved. This is something that is for the rest of your life. It's life altering. It's oftentimes implanted into your bone. You want it done right the first time.
I like that. So it's not a cookie cutter approach.
No, it's not at all. It's very
individualized. I like that. And so what about, who would be your perfect patient that would need to come in for hybrid or prosthodontics?
There's many patients we see, and it's oftentimes people have complex dental problems, whether it's neglect, accidents or trauma, acquired dental disease. Patients who are desiring a high level of aesthetic outcome, we are considered the aesthetic specialist. Patients suffering from facial pain, sleep apnea. As prosthodontists, a lot of our training is with appliances and really taking the whole facial support structure into consideration. And so it's any of those people. Some people have high level of expectations, want it done at a high specialty level. Maybe it only needs a few teeth. So many people fit the mold. There is no one type of typical or one fits the mold type person.
That's good. Okay, and what if somebody wants to learn more? Because I'm sure there's people at home thinking, you know, maybe they had an accident over the weekend, or maybe their child had an accident over the weekend, or, you know, they're thinking maybe this is the time to indulge in this. So
much of the process is as the patient being educated on your options, on your outcomes. And so once a month we do a free dental tooth replacement seminar talking about dental implants, different options of replacing your teeth. And our next one is tomorrow, April 18th. At 6:30 p.m. Please call if you're interested, as seating is limited.
I like that, and there's the graphic up there right now. Thanks, Dr. Naraki, for your time. Appreciate it. All right, and we'd like to thank Jacksonville Dental Specialists for sponsoring this segment. And for more information, visit jacksonvillehybridge.com. You can also call 904-584-3867. That's 584-3867.